have quarantined myself in mom and dad's place in the country. Look at this beautiful spot in the backyard. So we're covered by nature. I absolutely love it. Not that I usually live in a big city, but honestly, this was even better than I could have expected. We discovered fish in the little mud hole back there. Recently, this entire area was underwater. So now we can actually see some of the creatures and anything back there, because before it was a mud bog, we couldn't do anything. So I saw it and I'm bored, and I was like, you know what we need? A bridge to go over this little pond. So I'm looking on Craigslist under the free stuff and discover all this wood. This guy was so nice. My friend helped me unload it, of course, keeping the 6-foot distance. And I put mom and dad to work. They need the exercise. We also got all these cinder blocks. The ultimate plan is yet to come, but we got started on it. The bench was placed out there. And you see, of course, we had to add the fish food, which FYI, don't leave it because the raccoons will eat it overnight. We got some free bricks too to work on the pathway. Dad was so kind to help chop some of this free wood up. It doesn't look the best what we use for the bridge itself, but it was free. So the original plan was using logs, and I was going to rope them together like some kind of Paul Bunyan, but I'm not. And decided that was more dangerous than not putting 2 pieces of board across. Easier, but also a little dangerous. Then we put 4 boards across, wider, but still not quite a bridge. Mind you, the bridge on Walmart.com was just like $100, but our sister ain't got that right now. It's quarantine. So we decided to make our own. It's a very simple design. The 4 boards that are relatively the same length and cut to the same length were joined together by some shorter pieces of 2x4 that we had left over from another project. And we basically used those to tie these all together. Now later we will paint it. It will look even better, but this is the original plan. So now you see the 3 boards you've cut to roughly the same length. I'm not gonna lie, tape measure was not used a lot here, are being tied together by shorter pieces of 2x4 that we had laying around the garage. Then we laid the 2x6s, I believe, that were also donated on the sides, like slightly longer, because those are going to be resting on a few of the bricks, so that hopefully it'll avoid some rot. We screwed them all in because I am the worst with nails. Dad is not the worst with nails, but this is free labor, so we didn't want to work them too hard. We are tying in the sides, and then once the sides were tied in, we could lay it out. Here's the final project, not painted yet once again, and it supports even my not tiny, super strong daddy, so I think we did a pretty good job. Next was the pavers, mom's idea, using the free bricks to extend the already existing small trail of pavers, because they are not cheap, to make kind of faux pavers by sticking 3 bricks together. I think it turned out pretty good. The string lights you can see up top, and some cans that I put some candles in and drilled out little flower decorations on them. It's a boughetto project, you know. Once again, it is using free products, but the backyard definitely looks better than it did. And wait, there's more. If you see this clearing on the right, well, fairly clear, there's going to be a future dance floor and project to come, so stay tuned.